2024, and this is going to be a step-by-step guide in order to help you to be able to master creating Microsoft Forms. And I hope that by the end of this class, you're going to know better, and you're going to be able to create your own forms and design it and make it look the way you want it. Now, this is the typical Microsoft Forms interface. I can see some of the jobs I've worked on recently, and these are customer forms that are created. But today we're going to be designing a form from scratch, and I'm also going to be teaching you how to use templates. Now, first of all, I'm going to show you some of the tabs we have here. We have the new form tab, we have the new quiz tab. You can even import other forms, and then here we have the template section. I think we should try out the templates. Now, when you click on this template tab, it will show you a whole lot of templates that Microsoft has designed for you. All you just need to do is pick up the form and boom, edit it, make it look how you want it, customize it. Basically, you customize it. And so we are going to be customizing this form. It looks very beautiful. I like the design. Once you click on it, it's going to take a while, but it's going to load. My network is a little bit lagging, but the form is loading right now. So the form is loading. It has loaded. We have an event registration. All you need to do here is edit, basically edit. Once you click on it, you're going to use DSA, that is Digital Studio Academy, opening registration, boom. And so we have our form information right here. I'm trying to enlarge the screen to make us see better. So basically this is it. How would you like to receive boom email, boom? So this is a form that has been customized. If you want to customize it further, we have a section here called new question. So once you click on this icon right here, this plus icon here, you will get, if it's a multiple choice question you want to add, if it's a text you want to add, if it's a rating you want to create, if it's a date, if it's ranking, anything it is. But for here now we're going to be using text. So we're going to be like, what do you love about Digital Studio Academy? Boom. And so here is going to be a long answer, because probably that person might decide to write for some sentences. And also don't forget to click required, because your client or whoever it is that's filling this form must have to enter fields into this place in order for the form to be complete. Now you can also go further and add. This time we're going to put in a multiple choice question. Do you feel optimistic about this event? So we can easily click and add everything here, or we can decide to click and add any of these fields. We have no, we have yes, we have no, we have maybe here. We're going to use yes, and we're also going to use no. And if we want, we can also use maybe, and then boom, required. So now when you're done with all this, please don't forget you can also input pictures into this heading. Pictures actually make the designs look better. I think I have a logo right here. Okay, I think we should use this picture right here, and boom, it's here. And so when you're done, you can decide to preview what you have created. I can preview it. This is what it looks like on the computer. Digital Studio. This is the form we've just created using. I think this is one of the easiest digital skills that you can learn. Now we're going to go straight into designing forms from the scratch. So we're going to create new form. We're going to create a new form. We're going to have an empty canvas here. So the empty canvas here is what we are going to work on. So we're going to give our form a title: Digital Studio Academy registration. Now this form must not be a registration, it can be anything. In my next tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to design quizzes on Microsoft, on Microsoft as well. So do well to subscribe to this channel. Make sure you turn on the notification button so that when I drop any video, you'll be the first to see it. Now fill in all tabs. All tabs. Okay, answer. Give the right answers. Answers to all questions. That sounds lame. We're just going to try. So when you come down here, you click. This is now we are going straight into everything. I think we should put a DSA picture here to make it look, to give it this kind of personal look, or to make it give it this kind of nice look. So boom, we have DSA right here. So now our heading is complete. Our heading comprises of a title and a short description, and up here we have an image. So create question. Is it a text? Yes, text. We should use first name. First name. This is required, and you can have a long answer if you wish. Create another one. This is also going to be text. This is going to be surname or last name. This is last name. It can be a long answer. We can also have phone number. It could be long, it could be short, whatever it is. What we want is the data from the back end. Now we can also create another field for email. Email could be long, but it could still be short. So and now it's based on what you want the desired result you have at the finish line. Now we're going to create something again. This time around we should use the date. I think we should use date here. Input. Input required. So now we have date. We have date here. We can also create a multiple choice question. Will you be attending the virtual? Will you be attending virtual? Here we need yes, we hear no, and then we're done. So now we have created a simple form. This is a simple form which anybody can create. Now we need to preview it. We need to see how it looks like. This is what it looks like. It looks beautiful. To me, I think it looks beautiful. It looks cool. I love it. This is the desktop view. Now let's take a look at the mobile view. Wow. This is nice. This is what we have just created. How do you now send this form to somebody to fill it and for you to get data? You come to here. This is a present tab. Once you click on it, it shows you the skeleton of the whole design which you have been created. We also have a QR code here. Yes, anybody can scan this code and get to this form and fill in the information. But the easiest part is here. You can decide to highlight this and copy it using the old method. Or you can also decide to click the link and send the link to somebody. Whenever the person clicks this link or puts this link into any web browser, it's going to take the person straight to our form and we're going to get the data. I hope you've been able to learn something. This is our form. I hope you've been able to learn something from today's brief tutorial. I hope you've been able to learn something. That is my desire for doing this, for creating this. So I want to thank you so much for watching. Please, I'd like you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, which we normally drop digital and